Hey y'all, my name is Brandilashayllc, and in today's video, I will be showing you how I achieve my flat twist out. To start, my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned, and I'll begin by applying my Afro G protein leave-in spray all over my head just for a little strength. You guys, I'm really about to put y'all on the best combo of the year. I mean the best combo of the year, okay? Write this down, write this down, write this down. This is your warning. Write it down. First, I will be applying my Mono's hair smoothing pudding as my curling cream. Honestly, this has become one of my favorite products. If you ask me about a curling cream, it's gonna be this every time. Very moisturizing, creates great slip, smells amazing, great ingredients. Do you want me to continue? Anyways, as I'm sectioning my hair off, I'll be using about a quarter amount of product on each section, smoothing that section through with a detangling brush and twisting it up once complete. In total, I have 4 sections, and let's go ahead and get started with these flat twists in the back. For my second product, we are going in with the Crazy Sexy Curl Mousse by The Dew. I don't even have to talk about this product because I've done it several times, but the combo together, fire. I'll begin by applying a generous amount of this foam to this section until it's completely saturated. The glide on this product is so amazing, you guys. By the way, if you have the Chief Rocka foam by The Dew, it works just as good. Once coated, I'll begin parting off my first subsection for the flat twist. Now, I'm about to show y'all the awkward way I learned how to flat twist, and then I'll go in and show you what I do now. Again, this is very awkward, but this is the way I learned, and I'm hoping it'll help someone. Okay, let's resume. So first I'm gonna smooth out the first section. Next, I'll part out my starter row of hair. This will be split into 2 even sections, which I'll do a 2-strand twist twice. Ooh, say that 2 times fast. Now you have 2 pieces of hair on both sides. With my pointer finger, I'll glide it straight across the section to part off my second row of hair and join it with the left side. After, I'll continue my 2-strand twist, this time completing 3 revolutions of twist. This will make sure the piece with the least amount of hair will always end up on the left side. Again, I'll take my right pointer finger and section off a row of hair, add that row to the left side, complete 3 more revolutions to our 2-strand twist, ensuring that the piece with less hair ends up on the left side, and continue with the next row. Once there is no more hair to grab, I'll continue with a regular 2-strand twist down the length of my hair. Once I reach the ends, I will coil it around my finger to lock that twist in place. Now I know this might be hella awkward, but I promise you this is how I learned how to flat twist. And after a while, you'll build up enough dexterity to where you'll be able to glide down your hair flat twisting without thinking about the steps. And as I'm completing these flat twists, I'm periodically taking my microfiber towel and just dabbing away the excess product. This will help speed up the drying process and will also prevent any product buildup. Finally, I'll go in with my mini clips. You already know. These are meant to tighten my twist, creating wonderful definition at the roots once dry. These are especially great for beginners who may not be able to grip the hair tight enough, causing the flat twist to appear more poofy at the roots. Moving along towards the front of my hair, I wanted to give a few tips that may help you with the overall style. First, decide how you want your twist to lay. If you don't like a lot of hair in your face, I would recommend continuing to twist your hair towards the back, but if you want the hair to fall in your face like me for a little side bang action, part out your hair at a slant. 2. Decide on the size you want your twist to be. Bigger, chunkier flat twists give more volume in the hair. It also gives you a more wavy appearance. But on the other hand, your hair might take longer to dry, and the style might not last as long as you would like. You might have to periodically retwist throughout the week. And going with smaller twists, you might not get that volume right away, but your hair will grow in volume over time. In turn, this is what aids in the smaller twists lasting longer. Also, the drying time may be much quicker. Finally, my last tip is to let your hair fully dry. Even after sitting under the hooded dryer, I either wait a few hours before taking my hair down, or I sleep with them overnight and take them down in the morning. But speaking of hooded dryers, I'll sit under mine for 30 minutes, the magic of having a fast drying mousse. Lastly, let's separate in style. Remember about that spring back. Pull the twist slightly, let it go, and see if it immediately springs back in place. If so, 9 times out of 10, your hair is dry. For the takedown, initially I like to take my pointer finger in between the twists to give me a little leverage. I grab both sides and just easily pull it apart. As I start to unravel at the base, individual pieces of hair will start to fall. When it falls, I grab the piece of hair, coil the ends around my fingers, preventing my hair from frizzing as much as possible. It is very tedious, but I really do recoil each piece of curl. This is a great time to listen to music, watch your favorite show, whatever will allow you to take your time. Quiet as kept, I actually enjoy this part. It is a mindless task and it keeps me relaxed. Finally, we'll do a little fluff with my pick. I focus on the roots to camouflage those parts, but also my objective is to create a heart shape. So I'll keep my pick more up top in the crown area. But once I get the shape right, girl, this is how we look. Do y'all see this definition? Again, hands down the best combo of the year. Of course, no product will ever work without technique, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Again, my name is brandilashayllc, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.